Awe Massacres! Friday the 7th of November. Thought I'd just give you a quick update. Time's flying by so fast again. We've been busy. We just haven't been able to edit all the footage and videos that we've had. But we've been busy with the Permaculture Design Certificate course the past 2 months. Last weekend we had our students on site again. We did pattern understanding. If you saw our post, we made a herb spiral for that. So there's videos that will be coming on that hopefully soon. If we get time to edit, the editing is a challenge, guys. So I just want to give you a quick update. We are still alive and happening. Things are going forward. We've got the project that we need to run this weekend as well, or start this weekend, here at Festus Quantip Primary School. So Johannes is just busy offloading some compost because we got a tender to fix up their school garden for them. So the guys that initially got the tender or did the work basically set up most of the garden, put up the shade net, and then they dropped the project. They left without training the teachers how to plant and how to grow. So we've taken over the reins now, and we'll be doing a little bit of training tomorrow with the teachers, just to show them how to manage this garden and how to get a little bit of abundance from the space so that they can help the kids, because this garden will obviously be feeding some of the primary school kids here. But the main aim for me is to actually get the teachers to a point where they can teach the kids to do the same, and hopefully that will then propagate out into the community here in Mondesa, so that kids can actually grow food at home and teach their parents that you can actually grow food at home. We don't need to be reliant on the shops and government to supply our food needs for us. We can do it ourselves. So that's the main aim of this training, is to show the teachers how to do it, so that we can get it out into the communities. But lots of work. Let me help Johannes quickly. We'll keep you guys updated as best we can. I do apologize. Our time has been limited. We've really been busy. And like you know me, I think I tried to make my things or videos a little bit too nice with all the editing. I think I should turn to a little bit more raw type style. But yeah, let me help you, Johannes. Like a man.